Now we have discussed the continent. We just revised quick revision of the continent now. There are 7 major continents. These are separated by the large bodies and their continents. The continents are the Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Look at the map of the world, the figure 5.1. The Asia is the largest continent. It covers about one third of the local land area of the Earth. The continent lies in the eastern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. Asia is separated from the Europe by the Ural Mountains on the west. The combined landmass of the Europe and Asia is called the Eurasia. Europe is much smaller than Asia. The continent lies to the west of Asia. The Arctic Circle passes through it. It is bound by the water bodies on the trees side. Look at the map of the world and locate it. Africa is the second largest continent after Asia. The equator or the 0 degree latitude runs almost through the middle of the continent. A large part of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere. Look at the figure 5.1. You will find it is the only continent through which the Tropic of Cancer, the equator, and the Tropic of Capricorn pass. The Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert, is located in Africa. The continent is bound on all sides by the ocean and the seas. Look at the world map. We have discussed the world map in figure 5.1 in letter. You will notice that the world's longest river, the Nile, flows through Africa. Notice there the equator, Tropic of Cancer, and the Tropic of Capricorn pass the map of Africa. Now we have discussed the North America. North America is the third largest continent of the world. It is linked to the South America by the very narrow strip of a land called the Isthmus of Panama. The continent lies completely in the northern and western hemisphere. 3 oceans surround this continent. Can you name these oceans? The Pacific Ocean, Antarctic, and Atlantic Oceans. Now the South America. We have discussed the South America now. The South America lies mostly in the southern hemisphere, which 2 oceans surrounded it on the east and the west. The Andes, world's longest mountain range, runs through the length from the north to south. South America has the world's largest river, the Amazon also. Now we have discussed the Australia. Australia is the smallest continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. It is surrounded on all the sides by the oceans and seas. It is called the island continent. Now we have discussed the last one is Antarctica. Complete in the southern hemisphere is a huge continent. The South Pole lies almost the center of this continent as it is located in the South Polar region. It is permanently covered with the thick ice sheets. There are no permanent human settlements. Many countries have research stations in Antarctica. India also has a research station there. These are the names of the Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri. Now we have just discussed a few things about the figure which is given there. You know the isthmus was in North America, a narrow strip of the land joining two landmass. It's a isthmus. Now the name of the strait between the India and Sri Lanka also. इंडिया और श्रीलंका के बीच में जो बहुत पतली सी नाम है उसे स्ट्रेट कहते हैं और बेसिकली इसे राम सेतु भी कहा जाता है. The strait is a narrow passage of the water connecting two large water bodies like seas and oceans. So that's enough for this video. We will move to next video. Stay with us. Goodbye.